Okay. Maybe it's working. The internet keeps cutting out on me, and I have troubleshooted it as much as I possibly can. So we'll see if this actually happens today or if we'll have to try again tomorrow. Hopefully, cross your fingers, my Wi-Fi keeps still working. It's not because of the Rona. It's because I'm in my backyard. It seems to be working right now, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work forever. I'm going to give people a chance to get logged back on. We'll see if the Wi-Fi keeps working. I'm going to set up turn on my other cameras, and I'll be right back. Okay, I see a lot of chat, but my eyes are too bad to actually see that. So I'm just going to start talking. Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well today. If this is the first time you're watching a video, this is Sally Teaches Science. I'm Katie Sullivan. I'm a high school science teacher, and today we are going to do the Diet Coke and Mentos experiment, or a few different ones. So it might be fun to just put Diet Coke in Mentos and then watch it explode. But we also want to do some science along with this. So I'm going to do 3 controlled experiments for you today. We're going to do a smaller bottle versus a bigger bottle, 1 liter versus 2 liters. We are going to do a bottle that is cold and a bottle that is room temperature, or well, outside temperature right now because it's not particularly warm. And then we are going to do more Mentos versus less Mentos will be our last experiment. So those different versions are all different versions of our independent variable. An independent variable is the thing that you change in an experimental setup. And then our dependent variable here, the thing that we're going to be measuring, is how high it spurts up. And we're only going to be able to make qualitative observations today. Quantitative observations we're not going to be able to do because I don't have anything to measure the height at which this Diet Coke is going to spurt out. So we'll see how this goes. I didn't do any tests beforehand, which is not exactly how good science is done, but we'll see how this goes. So our first test is going to be our big Diet Coke bottle versus our smaller Diet Coke bottle. Okay. And I think I'll do, let's try 3 Diet Coke or 3 Mentos for our first test. We'll see how that goes. I'll read some in the comments. Okay, let's get started now. So we're gonna do the big bottle first. Let's see if I can put 4 in at the same time, and we'll see how this goes. So I got my fill out here. I'd say that's like maybe a meter. So That was our 2-liter bottle, about a meter off the ground, and I put 4 Mentos in there. Okay. Next one we're going to be doing is the smaller one. I think this is a liter bottle. It's 1.25 liters. It was what was on sale at Kroger. So 4 now. Okay, so that was only about to here. So initial observations, the bigger 2-liter bottle works better if you want a higher stream of Diet Coke. So that's our first experiment. I'm gonna go to the chat. So we have questions so far. lots of chatting back and forth. Lizzie, don't make fun of me. That's not nice. Okay, so we're gonna do our next experiment. Next experiment is our cold bottle versus our hot bottle. Okay, so you get that. And at this point, honestly, they're not a lot temperature difference, but this is our cold, this is our room temperature. Get some more Mentos out of my classic Miss Sullivan periodic table mug. Okay. What did I say before? Let's feel the temperature. I think this is going to be the same. They're not really that much different in temperature, but we're going to go with it. Okay. I think this is the cold one. So that was, I think, a little bit lower than the last one, but it might have been because I didn't get the Mentos in there quick enough. Okay. And then our other one. Spouting up everywhere. Okay. Not quite as cool as the first one. Pro tip, use 2-liter bottles instead. The smaller ones aren't as fun. So we've already been doing 4 Mentos. I want to see if I can get it higher up. So I'm going to try to put as many Mentos as I can in for the next few. Maybe I'll try 8 this time. And then I might put like a whole stick of them in there if I can do that for the next one. We'll see. So we're going to try 8 Mentos here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you guys ready? I'm used to you yelling at me during class, and now I can't hear you. I can only see you in the chat, so we'll see. That definitely got higher. That got like as tall as me. Okay. So we're going to do one last thing. I have a piece of thread, and I'm going to try to put as many Mentos as I can on it so that I can get them all in the bottle at the same time. We're going to try a whole pack of them here. We'll see if I can actually get this to work. I should have planned this ahead of time, but I was troubleshooting a lot of tech issues and it wasn't working at first. So maybe we can just keep them all. Evelyn, I wish I was as cool as the Mythbusters, but I don't quite have their tech and cast like crew available. Currently, this is my webcam from my laptop, which I can barely get to connect to the internet. So I don't know if this is quite quality Mythbusters material, but we'll see. Okay, so I have a whole pack of Mentos, and I'm going to try to put them all in the last one as much as I can at the same time. Okay. Oh, hi, Meg. Hey. Are we ready? I might get in the blast zone this time. We'll have to see. Maybe we'll try round 2 next week. We'll have to see. Maybe I can get more of them at the same time. I've seen some videos where they shoot like really far up in the air. So maybe I'll have to do some additional research. And then we can do that whole part of the scientific method where we repeat on our experiment. But that's all the Diet Coke. I will have one more Diet Coke for us today, but I don't really like Diet Coke, and especially like room temperature Diet Coke. But I guess I'll take a drink of it. Last one. I don't want to get close to my computer or my microphone. I think this is going to be like a weekly thing. We're going to do science demos on Tuesday. Hopefully I can get some better tech involved in here. I just realized I was standing on top of my microphone, so I don't know if you could hear me or not. So we'll have to see. Next week, I'm thinking of the like snake that grows from sugar and baking soda when you light it on fire. So I'll have to see how to do that in a safe way. Obviously, I'm not wearing safety goggles right now, and I should probably be doing that if I am using fire. So we'll see. I didn't feel like going to look for them today. So yeah. So tune in next week, same time. We'll do demo day at 4 p.m. Sully teaches science. I'll see you guys soon, and hopefully I'll have some sort of video up where you can see the other camera's footage. I have a camera that's like zoomed in really close so we can see. Maybe I'll try to slow motion. We'll have to see. I don't know. Still working on this. I see I'm getting suggestions. Glasses are not the same thing as safety goggles, Evelyn. Elephant toothpaste, I'll have to see. I think you need a certain chemical for that, so I'll have to see if I can get that off the internet, but I know the soap part. I can't make napalm. Ethanol, we'll have to see that. Yeah, so maybe comment below with suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. You guys know I always make fun of that on YouTube channels, but here I am. So please subscribe. If we get to more than 1,000 subscribers, apparently I can use my phone for this, which I didn't realize until today. Hey, Rachel, I see all caps. I'm great. How are you? I hope you're good. Gotta do the cooking by the book. Okay, guys. I'll see ya. Bye.